Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to drop customer order sample schema which is running in Oracle database 19c Enterprise Edition. So customer order schema does not have a script included in drop underscore sh.sql. So we need to drop by going into that customer orders directory and execute the script separately. So before that I am showing CO schema, that is customer order schema is alive, so I can able to connect in SQL developer. Okay, disconnect it. So disconnect the database before dropping it. Okay, so now let me open the sqlplus, login as sys at orclpdb as sysdba. So I can able to connect orclpdb pluggable database instance directly because I added entry in tnsnames.ora file. Okay, so now I am in customer order directory. So inside the customer order directory, this is the file we need to execute. CO underscore drop user, CO underscore drop underscore user dot SQL. So this is the query we need to execute in order to drop customer order schema. So this SQL file is already extracted. Okay, yes, that's it. Very simple step. So customer order schema is getting dropped. Let me recheck. Yes, I am unable to log into customer order schema, which means that customer order schema is dropped successfully. So make sure that drop underscore user SQL, CO underscore drop underscore user.sql file is there to drop this CO schema.